Well, if you want this setup, so 1600 quid, that's 150 quid's worth of saving as well. And then, yeah, just quote Steph. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Steph Baby TV. Now behind me you can see my Mercedes A45 AMG, and also in the background you'll see a logo there that is Motech Performance. So I am here at Motech Performance to modify the A45, and there's a couple of things we're doing today. The first is a catback Remus exhaust and a pipercross air filter. Now I'm really excited because one of the things that I realized with this car on the road trip was that I love the sound of it, but it just needs a little bit more. And coming from a car, the Abarth, that was completely ASBO, I don't want to go too crazy on it yet. Right, so we've talked about what we're going to do to this car. Now let's hand over to Mike. Mike, what the hell is that in your hand, mate?
This is your new 100mm pipercross intake system.
Flipping out.
Nick has already pulled the top of your airbox lid off. Probably not pulled is the correct word. Taken off.
Yeah.
That's the original one. So this actually sits in the box. But what is pretty interesting is that's, like I say, it's a 100mm inlet. When we take this one off, you see the before and after. It's a big difference.
It's a much bigger inlet, isn't it?
Yeah, massive. Yeah, it surprised me when people say, you know, 100mm is 4-inch. So when you pull the original off, so this is a really restricted part on the car. So with this, we combine with the exhaust, of course, air in, more efficient, air out, even better. So the two together work well. Good stage one, like you sort of say.
Yeah. And with it, will that enhance kind of the intake noise as well? Because it's bigger, so that'll be really cool. Yeah. The cone is one thing, but it's that part there, isn't it?
Yes,
it's the intake itself there.
You can kind of see, look, almost there on the plastic. See how small it actually goes down to?
Oh, well, yeah, that is quite small compared to that. That's huge.
Yes, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
So it's a restricted part. They would have obviously done that for a number of reasons. Unfortunately, like everything else, like is a product placement.
Yeah.
You know, they can't have these things making a lot more power than their book price at, because you are then into the territory of the next car, C43, C63, whatever it may be. So these are, they don't call them hot hatches anymore, don't they? They call them
hyper hatches.
Yeah,
hyper hatch.
They're doing everything they can to, I guess, slow them down a little bit.
To get it in there. And it was one of the things that I said at the start, that just when I arrived, actually before we had our chat earlier on upstairs in the office, was that for me, the sound of this car when I was out in Germany on the road trip, it was wicked. But it just needed that little bit more for me.
Yeah, exactly. You just need to turn it up a little bit more, so maybe a good 9 out of 10.
And I don't want it to be too much, because I mean, previous car, full straight pipe decal, all the jazz. I think I want to keep it kind of OEM plus. So that's where, and I'm going to show my age. And that's
OEM plus we're pretty good at doing an OEM plus setup. So this will be the exhaust. You'll know it's got an exhaust onto it. It's not going to be enough to annoy everybody and your neighbours, and especially if you're doing a road trip. You know, it's like when you're sitting in the car for 6-7 hours at a time, you don't want a constant drone. It is all about having the usability of a car still. This is a daily car. And that's what's good about the Remus, and we'll go through this in a minute about the valves and the exhaust.
Yeah, definitely. Intake. Nick doing his thing. No pressure, mate.
No, nobody pressure.
Right, I'll let you, we'll do the wonders of editing, and we'll magically change that over. So 1, 2, 3. Massive difference. Here's the beast that's going to go on the A45, catback Remus exhaust system. Mike, what we got here, mate?
Bit of art.
Bit of art. We were admiring the build quality on it.
Yeah, I mean, Remus is a high-end, it's a premium product on the Mercedes, or it's a premium exhaust, should I say. So putting it onto Mercedes, it works well. Premium product, premium exhaust. So this system is pretty special. It's a system that they've spent a lot of money, time and R&D in development. Their R&D centre that every exhaust gets put through is dynoed, sound tested. They've got a sound chamber, which I'll show you actually a video in a minute. They spent 12 million euros on, because they manufacture for OEM.
Yeah.
They have
so did you say 12 million?
12 million euros.
Flipping out.
And there's a sound tested room. It's like an instrument we played in or something like that.
Yeah.
They have it's complete sound absorbing. So when you go in there, there's no echoes. You can't even. It's really strange. It's like being underwater.
Yeah.
But that way they can basically the only noise they're getting is the exhaust. They also have a dyno in there. They put a dummy in the passenger seat, and they can work out frequency and tone against where it's going to hit. The money has been spent in the R&D, and it shows in the exhaust.
Yeah.
And what's really important about yours has the AMG Sports exhaust.
Yeah.
It's very interesting to see people's reactions. People are like, oh, I've got the AMG Sports exhaust. What's the difference?
Yeah.
What you're about to see.
Yeah, no, exactly. And I think now would probably be a good time to overlay a quick kind of before clip. So I'm going to run it twice. So one in Comfort, which obviously doesn't really have the pops and bangs in it, and the other one in Sport Plus. So you can hear it now with the performance exhaust, and then we're going to run it afterwards again with the Catback Remus exhaust, just so we can hear the sound difference. Because yeah, I'm quite excited. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is it. This is the standard exhaust, isn't it?
Yes, this is a factory sports exhaust.
Yeah.
So yes, it's the AMG one. You can see you've got one valve on it here.
Yeah.
And you can see you've got one outlet.
Yeah.
And what's quite important is, I know you saw before, obviously you've got two valves on the Remus.
Yeah.
And obviously like another external outlet, so when the valve is closed,
yeah,
it kind of reverts back into the box. When it's open, it'll be almost a straight through. But channeling in the box will be different. What also a lot of people don't realise is, although it's cat back, you still have.
Oh yeah, of course you've got a resonator in there.
Yeah, exactly. So that'll be going.
We're getting rid of that?
Yep. So we're going to go from here.
Yeah.
Points all the way back, all the way forward. So catback, really, many cars used to be catback was in the middle of the car,
yeah,
but now it pretty much is where the driver's feet are.
Yeah.
All the way back. So
all
when you say
back.
catback, I think it's a half system. It's not. That's how it used to be.
Yeah.
Because obviously cats are in the down.
Cats are in the down parts and that. So yes, that's a long bit there. So this is coming off. Yeah, I didn't realise there was a resonator in there.
Yeah, see, a lot of people don't. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So interesting. And obviously on this one, we have no resonator. No. So automatically there, we'll get a nice bit of sound. So yeah, no, it should be good. All right. Well, I guess we need to take this one off. Well, not only is it a lovely day, these guys know how to make me happy. As you all know, I'm a real fan for coffee. And yeah, this is good. Car's nearly done, I can't wait, it's gonna be sick. Yes! That sounds sick. Mate, hey, those pops, that sounds so much better.
Oh, I've got off down pops, got off down pops to get
mate,
the pops. No,
well done, well done. Where's Nick? Well done, lads. Thank you, mate. Mate, that sounds really good.
Can we go for a drive now?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get some go. Let's go for a drive.
Loads better. You can hear the intake, can't you?
Yeah. Oh man, that sounds good. I like that.
Hear the wastegate pressure as well.
Yeah, you got that little turbo flutter in there as well. Oh mate, well done. Thanks, dude.
No worries.
Oh man, the pops. Oh, there's more, isn't there?
Yeah. You'll find another chatter from the
chatter is
the wastegate.
great.
Yeah. You can see how restricted that part was, and it muffles all that down. That's really, but the crack on the upshift is so sort of aggressive. Oh. You feel it?
Yeah.
I'm sure that's what you want.
Yeah, this is it. Like, docile when I need it in comfort mode, but and when you want to flick it back into Sport Plus.
Good smile.
There you go, you've done well.
Good.
You've done well.
And like you sort of said before, this already had the sports exhaust on it, so it's a nice step up.
Yeah, exactly. It is the OEM Plus part, and yeah, I mean, this is great.
Happy?
Very happy. Good. I love that little when you come off the wastegate noise as well, and that's from the pipercross exhaust.
Intake, yeah. It's that 100mm inlay, Well, actually, it's a replacement filter because the original one's already like a cone. Go right here. It's already like a cone, but it's just that intake is so sort of strangling it almost.
Yeah.
That 100mm inlet is just a nice.
It's breathing better.
Completely. More efficient air coming into it. More efficient air, the better it's going to be.
I'm impressed.
Happy?
I'm very happy. As I said in the car, I wasn't expecting it to have that kind of grunt to it. You proved me wrong. You did prove me wrong.
Easy. We spoke in the car about doing a bit of a deal. It's worked well on other YouTubers we've had them and kind of bunching the products together, kind of a bit of a package.
Yeah.
I was just looking at my calculator working out. I'd retail your parts, including fitting, at $17.50. 100mm intake, catback exhaust, the second valve, all fitted. Exact same as what you've got there and drive out. Probably not a coffee at this price.
Yeah. No coffee.
Bring your own or bring me one. I'll do it for 1,600 quid all in fitted.
Mate, there you go. So anybody who wants the same setup that I've got, and you know, you're going to see a lots more content with obviously the exhaust, the intake will go, will feature quite regularly, so you can hear what that car sounds like. But yeah, Motech Performance, these guys have been absolutely fantastic. They've really looked after me. The service is second to none. So 1,600 quid, that's 150 quid's worth of saving as well. And then just quote Steph. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe for plenty more content if you haven't already, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Should we do that?
I think it needs it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think we need some springs and
spaces. Do you want a hoodie?
Yeah, I'll have a hoodie.
No worries.
I'll have a hoodie. Cool, yeah, let's do that. I'll book it in. Let's do springs and spaces next.
Yeah, cool.
Sick. Yeah, coming soon, man. Coming soon.